How to change a password on PRIMEXBT. Are you guys facing issue to change a password on PRIMEXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for PRIMEXBT website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Just simply tap on it. Now click on your profile username. Once you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this section. Scroll down and just simply tap on security. Once you click on security, you can see this option for change password. Tap on change password. Now you need to write down the current password that you used before to log in into this account. Write down your current password, then have to write down your new passwords and confirm it. Once you write down all this password, click on change. Once you click on change, your password will be instantly changed on PRIMEXBT website. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change a password. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.